Hello and welcome to Standard Scholars. We are continuing with our simple pulley system tutorials, and let us just continue doing some exercises. We are given two pulley system. We got pulley A and pulley B, and we need to find the least force which requires to move the 20 kilogram weight. We got the weight over here, 20 kg. We got 20 kg. Let's look at this pulley system A. This pulley system A, if you could see from our previous tutorial, is a compound pulley. Compound means it just goes both movable pulley, which is this one. This is movable. And we got a fixed pulley. Now, if you could remember, we said that the mechanical advantage of pulleys can be found by calculating the number of ropes supporting the weight. So we got this particular rope supporting the weight, number one. Rope number 1, and we got this rope over here, number 2. So we got two ropes. So mechanical advantage is equal to 2. Now what does that mean? There are two sections of rope supporting the weight of 20 kg. That means each rope will be having which will be having a force of, so we do 20 divided by 2 ropes, which is equal to 10 kg. So over here we got 10, and rope number 2 we got 10. Hence the force, the least force required to lift the 20 kilogram weight of 20 kilogram up over here, effort, is equal to 10 kg. Now let's look at pulley system B. In pulley system B, we got two fixed pulleys. Both these pulleys over here are fixed. And we got one rope over here which is supporting the weight. Only one rope, mind you. This rope here is the same continuing to the effort. Hence, the mechanical advantage of this pulley system is 1. And we know that if you take the weight, which is 20, divide by the section of ropes which is supporting the weight over here, which is 1, hence we get 20 kg. So this particular rope over here, the least force required to lift this 20 kilogram up is 20 kg. So E is equal to 20 kg, 20 kilogram. Hence, we can say that pulley system A requires the least force to move the weight of 20 kg. Over here, the catch is to find the number of ropes supporting the weight. In this case, there are 2, and in case of pulley system B, is 1. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and I hope to see you next time. Please do subscribe to this channel and click on thumbs up. Thank you.